So I'm back. I know I haven't posted any videos in a while, but I was on vacation, visited some family for the holidays, as some of you who might have watched some of my other videos may have heard. Anyways, so let's talk about this for a hot second before I dive on in. Obviously the title of this video is going to say something along the lines of like, my first Stitch Fix box. And now I'm also very highly self-aware of saying the word because someone commented on one of my videos that I say too many times. So just be prepared, because now I'm in my own headspace. I'm trying not to, but you know when you get your own headspace and you're a little bit just, it's hard to change habits once you get inside your own mind. So I'm working on trying not to use the word as much, but just hold on tight until I figure this whole thing out. No one prepared me for like this whole public speaking YouTube thing. I just decided to do this on a whim, and here I am now. So anyways, Stitch Fix. The reason why I've started this Stitch Fix journey, if you will, is because of my Nadine West. So my last couple of bags haven't been super great, and honestly, like I've done Nadine West for 4 or 5 years now. It's been a long time, and I have truly gotten some really great pieces from Nadine West, but I am down to some of my last nerves with them as far as quality of clothing goes and the items that I've been getting, and it just seems like their customer service hasn't been super great. So I'm still gonna give them at least another month or two, but in the meantime I wanted to get something that won't break on me within the first 5 times I wear it, something that's a little higher quality, something that isn't completely sheer, and these are all issues I've had with Nadine West. So I decided to go ahead and try Stitch Fix. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription where they will give you about 5 items, and you can do it on a monthly basis. You can do it on bi-monthly, every 6 months, or just like, I'm gonna have a quick fix. It's totally customizable for whatever you want to do, and you can even ask your stylist to be like, hey, I am going to a wedding soon, so I'm gonna need some dresses for this wedding. If you could please make this box all about not wedding dresses, but you know, like wedding or dresses to wear to a wedding. So anyways, and you actually do get a stylist with this box, which is something I've been looking forward to, because Nadine West, like I've said, I've done them for between 4 to 5 years, and sometimes some of their bags kind of seem like they curated a whole outfit together. But honestly, I really think at this point it was just like the luck of the draw of the clothes they just happened to throw together. And I'm excited to see exactly what's inside this bad boy. I did go ahead and cut the tape to make our lives a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so it's a good sized box for those of you who are wondering. I have been watching some other Stitch Fix unboxing videos to kind of see what might be in store for me. So this is what our little bundle looks like, and I do see some interesting pieces in here. And let's see, this looks like an envelope with, it says, your stylist thought these will look great on you. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. I think, so with Stitch Fix, you do get a note from your stylist. Okay, so this is the invoice, and this tells us exactly everything that is in the box and the price points for everything. So I'm not gonna pay too much attention to that. I am highly aware Stitch Fix is much more expensive than Nadine West, and I am prepared to pay a little bit more for my clothing if it's something I truly love, that is of good quality and is going to last me a while, and it's gonna stay in my wardrobe for years. Because I'm kind of making that transition finally from like kind of like junior teenage clothing into adult clothing. And you know, you're not constantly trying to buy new fads or styles. This is stuff I want to be able to have in my wardrobe for a long time, and will actually honestly be more sustainable in the long run. Anyways, enough ranting. I see something else in this box. It says, take a peek. Tucked inside, pieces from your stylist, outfit inspiration, and personalized style advice. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this shows everything. Okay, it doesn't show everything. It shows kind of the key pieces that I think they sent and how I should style them. Oh, and there's a little note. Let's see. Hello, Amanda. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season. I am excited to style you this December, and I found you some beautiful and versatile new pieces that I think you will love. As a fellow Texas girl, I know that as soon as the temps dip even a little bit, I'm searching for cozy layers and chunky knits, even if it's still in the 50s. I started your fix with a fantastic fun distressed black pullover sweater from Harper Lane. The Zeke Zipper Detail Sweater has a great longer length that will pair as well with leggings as it does denim. Try wearing it with the Just USA button front skinnies and your favorite heeled booties for an effortlessly cool daytime look. All the best, Jillian. Okay, so for those of you who aren't aware, I do live in Texas, and yeah, I'm a baby. I actually grew up in Michigan, but now that I live in Texas, I've become the biggest baby when it comes to cold weather. Sorry, not sorry. So let's go ahead and dive on into this bundle. Break off that sticker. Oh, okay, so this first piece is top, I'm guessing, judging. It looks like I got 4 tops and a bottom. So what is this? Oh, okay. So this might almost be a crop top. I'm not sure how I feel about this floral pattern, but we'll just kind of have to see how this wears when I try it on. I'm a little iffy on that one. For the next item, it is, oh, by the way, that was, what brand was this? This is from All in Favor. This next top is by, maybe the label says it, 9 Britain, and is a Billy tie front brushed knit top in taupe. So, oh, that's kind of cute. With a little tie on the front. I actually have a short sleeve shirt that is like this. I can already tell I might have some concerns because it does look a little sheer, but not as sheer as some of the stuff I get sent in Nadine West. So again, I'll probably just have to try that on with a cami and see how it looks. We almost had some very bad technical difficulties, but everything's fine. Anyways, this is soft. Oh. So this looks just like a plain sweater in like a dusty pink. Almost reminds me of like some blush I might wear. Let's see, this is it's by the brand Pinke? There'll be a subtitle. It is a Franco long sleeve crew neck pullover. Now I do really enjoy how soft this is, but this does remind me of something my mother would wear, and I'm not in that game. There's nothing wrong with this, it's just a little too plain for my liking. And then, let's see what this is. What is, oh please, is that the front? Oh, that is the back. That is the back. I can, if that were the front, I don't know if I would wear that, but since it's the back, this actually could be really cute. I don't know, I just have to see how this wears, see how it drapes on my body. Again, this would be something else I'd be wearing a cami with. It is by the brand Stitches and Stripes. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a pair of pants. Oh, they look high-waisted. I really like that button detail. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a series of buttons that go all the way up the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these bad boys on, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I will walk around first, and then I'll talk about what I like and what I don't like about this outfit. So this is the top. And these are actually the jeans that they sent. So I really like I almost like everything about this outfit. I really did not think I was going to like this top at all, to be completely honest. I'm not usually into the crop top kind of look, but I can pull this off. Normally with crop tops, I'm concerned. I get really self-conscious about my belly. I don't even have that much of a belly. It's just I'm aware that I have a belly. And these pair really well with the pants that you sent. And these pants, I had a lot of concerns because my legs and just the bottom half of my body in general are a little thick, especially my calves. I have what I call my German lady calves. It's just, it doesn't matter if I'm really skinny or if, you know, I'm bloated. My calves are always just really thick and large. So I have a hard time finding jeans sometimes that actually fit my calves correctly. So I'm actually really pleased with these jeans. There is a little bit of distressed or fake whatever detail you want to call right there. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about it. I'm okay with it here on the hip, but there's also some of it on the knees. And it looks like it's fake distressed, but that's just honestly me being nitpicky. If I haven't mentioned it already, I think I've already forgotten, I love these buttons. So this might be tough. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on another top here in a second. Okay, so this is kind of I was concerned it was a little sheer top with the cute little tie in the front. And this is with the same pair of pants, since you only sent me the one pair. So overall, I actually really like how cozy this top is, and the cute little tie detail at the front goes really well with these high-waisted pants. So far, it's going to be a real difficult decision on what to keep because, as we're aware, this is a much higher price point than Nadine West. I'm going to go ahead and slip into the next top here in a minute. So here is that really super soft, kind of dusty rose top. I will say it's really super cozy and warm, but it's not really doing my figure any favors. It's not like super flattering or anything, but it is really soft. But for how much they're charging, I kind of hardly doubt I will be willing to spend this money on a really cozy sweater when, you know, I got other things to wear. But I really enjoy how soft and cozy this sweater is. Okay, and now lastly for the last top. This is the one where there's all the holes in the back, so this actually kind of makes me think of a mullet because it's business in the front, party in the back. I'm sorry if you lasted until this point. If you want to leave now, I completely understand. I'll go ahead and do my little walkthrough. So I really thought I was going to love this sweater because of all the really cool fun cutouts that were in the back of it. Wearing it, there's a significant temperature difference between the front of my body and the back of my body. Like, it's very chilly back there, even with wearing a cami underneath. And the front's not doing any favors for me. The back's not really doing any favors for me. Hi. Oh, but Sophie likes it. Hi, ma'am. Come here. Hi. Look who came to join us. Did you guys miss her? I missed her so much. Again, if you stayed this long and are still watching and want to leave now, I understand. Oh, hi. Please don't knock over my camera, sweetie. Okay, go have fun. Love you. Anyways, I do enjoy this sweater, but overall, that first top is really doing it for me. That was my favorite out of everything that I wore today. And out of everything, that's probably going to be the top that I'm going to keep. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I do really enjoy these pants a lot. And oh, okay, so these pants, for some reason I had it in my head that they were $68. They're only $58. I do think I'm gonna have to think on the pants for a little bit, just because I don't really need pants right now. I just really love these, and I wasn't expecting them to fit this well. They have just a little bit of stretch, and I think the reason why the pants fit so well is because when you sign up for Stitch Fix, you do take a little style quiz, and there's a specific question that I kind of laughed a little bit at that was like, are your legs or bottom half like really curvy or something along those lines? And I was like, yes. So maybe that's why these pants fit so well. Maybe I just have a super great stylist. I don't know. And then that black blouse, that very first one that I tried on, I think I'm probably gonna end up keeping for sure. That was the type of thing I was looking for. That is something that I could foresee myself wearing for a long time. All these other sweaters, they've been great, but they're just not quite hitting the mark for me, unfortunately, which, to be fair, my issue is that, like, they're not super flattering. And what? Get it. Yeah, I know, I'm not paying attention to her. This is why I need to wrap up the video and go pay attention to my cat. So anyway, I don't remember what I was talking about. It's probably something about sweaters not being super flattering, and that's partially just due to the nature of sweaters, but I do feel like, you know, if I'm gonna pay this much money for clothes, I want them to be absolutely perfect in every single way. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I still have all sorts of content I plan on working on now that I come back, or have come back from my vacation. And thanks for watching.